Ever wondered how secure your home really is? Ever considered how a security door could enhance that protection? Today, we're diving into the importance of security doors and how they can significantly boost the safety of your home, particularly in Jamaica. In our increasingly unpredictable world, home security has become a top priority. In places like Jamaica, where security concerns may be more prevalent, taking proactive steps to safeguard your home is not just wise, but necessary. One of the most effective ways to enhance home security is by investing in high-quality security doors. So, what makes security doors so crucial? Well, these aren't your average doors. They're specifically designed to withstand external threats, providing an additional layer of protection that goes beyond traditional doors. When you sleep at night, or when you're away from home, you can rest assured knowing that your security door is standing guard, preventing unauthorized access. What sets security doors apart are their robust construction. They are often made from sturdy materials like steel or iron, which offer exceptional durability and resistance to tampering. But that's not all. Many of these doors come equipped with advanced locking systems, making it even more difficult for intruders to gain entry. And while security is paramount, it doesn't mean you have to compromise on aesthetics. Contrary to popular belief, security doors offer a wide range of customization options. You can choose from various designs, colors, and finishes that not only provide the security you need, but also complement your home's architectural style. But remember, the effectiveness of a security door lies not just in its quality, but also in its installation. It's recommended to enlist the help of professionals who adhere to industry standards during the installation process. This ensures your security door functions optimally, providing the level of protection you and your family deserve. In conclusion, investing in security doors in Jamaica is a decision that comes with numerous benefits. These doors not only deter potential intruders, but also enhance overall home security, offering peace of mind to homeowners. Security doors provide an essential layer of protection, making them a worthwhile investment for your home. Stay tuned as we explore more about security doors in our next segment. You might be wondering, what exactly makes a door a security door? Well, let's dig into that. A key feature that sets security doors apart from regular doors is the material used in their construction. We're talking about robust materials like steel or iron. These aren't your average wooden doors that can be easily broken down. Instead, they're designed to resist tampering and forced entry, offering a higher level of protection. But it's not just about what's on the outside. The interior of these doors often includes a reinforced frame and a core filled with a material that is resistant to drilling. This means that even if an intruder manages to get through the outer layer, they'll have a tough time dealing with what's inside. Now let's talk about locks. Security doors often come equipped with advanced locking mechanisms. These aren't your standard locks that can be picked with a hairpin. We're talking about high-security locks that are resistant to lockpicking, drilling, and even bumping. Some security doors even feature multi-point locking systems, where the door locks at multiple points with a single turn of the key, providing an added layer of security. Another vital feature is the use of non-removable hinges. This means that even if an intruder attempts to remove the door by unscrewing the hinges, they won't be able to, as these hinges can only be accessed from inside when the door is open. Security doors also often include a peephole or a small window, allowing you to see who is at the door without having to open it. Some even come with a mesh screen, providing the benefits of a screen door, while still maintaining a high level of security. As you can see, the robust design and advanced features make security doors a formidable barrier against unauthorized entry. They're not just doors. They're a crucial part of your home's security system, designed to keep you and your loved ones safe. But security doesn't mean you have to sacrifice style. In fact, security doors offer a wealth of customization options. Let's talk about those for a bit. First off, you can choose from a variety of designs. Whether you prefer a traditional look, a modern approach, or something unique, there's a security door out there to match your taste. And it's not just about design. You also have a choice when it comes to the color of your security door. From bold hues to subtle shades, there's a color scheme that will seamlessly blend with your home's exterior. But the customization doesn't stop there. Some security doors even offer different finishes, allowing you to achieve that perfect look while maintaining a high level of security. From glossy to matte, textured to smooth, the finish of your door can add that final touch to its overall appearance. So not only do security doors provide enhanced safety, they can also complement the aesthetic of your home. A good door is only as good as its installation. Now let's talk about the importance of professional installation for security doors. You see, even the most robust security door won't serve its purpose if it's not installed correctly. It's like buying a top-of-the-line sports car but using regular fuel. It won't perform at its full potential. Now, you might be wondering, what does professional installation entail? Well, it begins with precise measurements. A slight miscalculation could result in gaps that compromise the door's integrity, so accuracy is vital. Next comes the actual installation, which involves attaching the door to the frame securely. This process requires specialized tools and skills to ensure a snug fit and smooth operation. However, the process doesn't end there. A professional will also check the door's alignment and ensure it opens and closes correctly. The lock mechanism is tested thoroughly to guarantee its functionality. Each step is crucial to the overall performance of the door. In addition to this, professionals adhere to industry standards during the installation process, ensuring that the security door functions optimally. These standards have been set after rigorous testing and research, so they're not merely guidelines, but a blueprint to ensuring maximum security. So if you're considering installing a security door, remember to hire professionals. It's not just about getting the door up, it's about making sure it's up and ready to protect you and your loved ones. After all, proper installation is key to ensuring your security door performs at its best. So, we've discussed what security doors are, but why should you consider investing in one? There are numerous benefits to having a security door in your home, and we're going to delve into those now. First and foremost, security doors act as a formidable deterrent to potential intruders. The sight of a robust security door can often be enough to dissuade potential thieves, who typically look for easy targets. By installing a security door, you're sending a clear message that your home is well protected and not an easy mark. Secondly, security doors enhance your overall home security. This may seem obvious, but it's worth reiterating. These doors are constructed from materials like steel and iron, designed to resist tampering and forced entry. Coupled with advanced locking mechanisms, they provide a level of protection far beyond that of a standard door. Another benefit of security doors is the peace of mind they provide. Knowing that your home is effectively secured can alleviate worries about safety, allowing you and your family to feel more comfortable and secure in your own home. This peace of mind is priceless, and it's something that a security door can readily provide. In addition, security doors also offer an added layer of protection against environmental hazards. Many security doors are designed to withstand severe weather conditions, protecting your home from potential damage caused by storms or hurricanes. This is particularly beneficial in Jamaica, where such weather conditions can be quite common. Finally, let's not forget the aesthetic appeal. As we discussed earlier, security doors come in a variety of designs and finishes. They can be customized to match the architectural style of your home, enhancing its overall look while also improving security. With these benefits in mind, it's clear that a security door is a valuable addition to any home. They deter intruders, enhance security, provide peace of mind, protect against environmental hazards, and even improve your home's aesthetics. A worthy investment, wouldn't you agree? Let's recap on what we've discussed today. We've taken a comprehensive look at the importance of security doors, especially in the context of Jamaica. These doors, made from robust materials like steel and iron, provide an essential layer of protection for your home. They are designed to withstand external threats, making your home a formidable fortress against any unauthorized entry. We also delved into the key features that make these doors a reliable choice. Their advanced locking mechanisms and durability make them a worthy investment for your home's security. And let's not forget the wide range of customization options available. You can choose from various designs, colors, and finishes that not only enhance security, but also add to the aesthetic appeal of your home. The effectiveness of these doors, however, relies heavily on proper installation. It's recommended to hire professionals who adhere to industry standards to ensure your security door functions optimally. Investing in security doors in Jamaica brings numerous benefits. They act as a strong deterrent to potential intruders, enhance your overall home security, and offer peace of mind. After all, the safety of your loved ones and your property is truly priceless. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, home security is a priority, not a luxury. Stay safe, everyone.